from the sun, you bring the sunshine.
Is there anything more nostalgic than Magic Kingdom? The churros, the Mickey ice cream dripping down my hand, and where my favorite stories and characters come to life. I wanted to do a fun Minnie Mouse look with her signature polka dots. This tie front top is a statement piece with the contrasting black and white polka dots. I shortened the sleeves and ties so it wouldn't overwhelm my petite frame. And for the ultimate comfort to get in and out of rides all day, I wore a red skirt with a side asymmetrical slit. It's simple but added that special touch. I decided to go for classic white Keds and to top it all off, my favorite Minnie ears. Bound de queijo, raclette Swiss cheese, schink noodle, and my personal favorite, brie. Cheese brings flavor to my world and feeds my soul, so I decided to do a Parisian chic inspired outfit in the theme of cheese. The vibrant yellow of this dress made me so happy. I just love the classic simplicity of the silhouette. I shortened the hem from midi to mini, so it gave the outfit a young and fresh look. I paired it with a sheer polka dot shirt, which gives me the Minnie vibes, and also is a cheese hole part of this outfit, okay? I decided to go with my favorite yellow studded sandals. Can you believe they're also orthopedic? And to accessorize, I wore my celestial earrings, a tiny cat backpack, and of course, the finishing touch to a classic Ratatouille France-inspired outfit is my yellow beret. Bright suns and rising moons, travelers, the opening of Galaxy's Edge required a fun and modern look that was inspired by one of my favorite characters, R2-D2. This skirt was originally an unfinished project, but my passion was reignited when I found out I'd be visiting Batuu. This skirt is handmade using heat-set vinyl. I love the smooth and clean look it gives, and it is so easy to work with, you only need an iron. Continuing the modern robotic theme, I added a circular belt, and for my top, I thought this convertible one was perfect for Star Wars because you can tie it up any way you want. For my earrings, I went with some elegant ear crawlers, and for the shoes, I kept the white theme going on with some Keds. Batuu was so fun, and I cannot wait to explore more the next time I visit. There is still so much I didn't cover.